How to upload PDF to Microsoft Copilot for free. So if you want to upload PDF to Microsoft Copilot, then first you just need to open up your browser, go for the search, and you need to search for copilot.microsoft.com. Once you search here, you will have this kind of interface. So make sure to sign into your account. Go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and then sign in with your personal or with your work account, anything that you're comfortable with. So make sure to sign in. Once you've signed into your account, now you need to reload your page. And once you have this kind of interface, now you need to simply go for the file or attachment option, which will be here on the bottom left. So you will have two buttons. One is for the scanner and one is for the attachment upload. So you can simply click on attachments if you have that option, but it's a new update. It might not be available in every country. So you can also go with the images option. So you can simply click on add an image and then you can choose an image, or you can paste image or link and then you can send that to your Microsoft Copilot. So I'll be choosing a PDF link. So I have this PDF, right? So you can either download this PDF and save it, or you can simply copy the link to the PDF. Once you've copied, you need to go for the Microsoft Copilot and then paste the link. So if you have the attachment option right here on the bottom left, then you can simply click on attachment and then you can choose the file that you have on your computer or your PC or laptop, and you can upload that PDF to your Microsoft Copilot. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.